actor turned politician Richard Gomez said he has no objections if his daughter Juliana Gomez is dating professional basketball player Richie Rivero. During a brief interview with the media at the State of the Nation address, SONA, on July 27th, Richard shared that Juliana is already mature enough to make her own decisions when it comes to relationships. Rumors linking Juliana and Richie first surfaced in 2025 after the two were spotted together on several occasions. Richie was also seen supporting Juliana during the 33rd Southeast Asian Games, where she competed. Wala namang problem sa akin kung nagkikita silang dalawa, lumalabas sila. Alam mo, Juliana is of age already and wala naman bawal, Richard asserted. Richard also revealed that he only has one request for his daughter whenever someone wants to court her. Basta sinabi ko lang sa kanya nung una, pag manliligaw sa'yo yung lalaki, doon siya manligaw sa bahay, he asserted. The actor-politician added that he was already familiar with Richie long before the dating rumor surfaced, having watched him play for the University of the Philippines in the UAAP. Nalaman ko na lang na may nanliligaw pala sa kanya na basketball player. Napapanood ko pa sila dati nung player pa sila sa UP, he said. When asked if he had already spoken with Richie about Juliana, Richard said they had not yet had that conversation. For him, seeing the two happy together is enough. Hindi naman. Basta nakikita ko lang sila na masaya, okay na ako, he ended. Richard previously shared that Juliana formally introduced her suitor during a family dinner. At the same time, he reminded his daughter to stay grounded and know her boundaries. Just be happy lang and alam mo naman yung limitations mo. Dalaga ka, maganda ka, hindi ka pa kasal. So my limits, Richard shared in an interview with Boy Abunda. Earlier this year, Richard was spotted dining with Juliana and Richie, further fueling speculation about their relationship. Netizens also claimed they saw the rumored couple holding hands while walking around the mall. As of this writing, Juliana Gomez and Richie Rivero have not publicly confirmed the true status of their relationship.